Hello and welcome. So I want to share the progress. I have been working this all week into the inventory system and in the drop. You see, when you kill a monster, they drop things and you click them and you have the inventory, which is this one. And I went for the identify scroll system because every action RPG has that, and there is a reason for that. It is because when an item drops, you have to roll all the stats, and that can be kind of heavy process. So if you have a lot of monsters and you kill them and they drop, they will produce lag if you have to roll all the stats at the same time. So I put this scroll tab so I can, you have unidentified item and I just make it identified. Also went for sockets. So I'm a Path of Exile fan, so I make that every item have some sockets, right? And you can equip skills on it. Oops. So if we have a bow, okay. Normally I have this punch. Okay. This is the basic attack. And then if I change it, this weapon that have slam skill. This is a slam. And then this require a bow. I can shoot arrows. I also have this magic stuff that works with wherever, and I can equip these skills. That's pretty much it. I mean, when you equip a weapon, it will show. Okay, have to be identified here. Here we can have rings. I mean, the only thing that shows is the weapons and the weapons types, and that's going to be the scope of the game. Because the trick to make these games, I mean, these games they can be too much work, so I will go with a really small scope. Like, I don't think I will show different armors when you change your gear, and your items are going to be like this. I mean, I will make different pictures like this, but in the game, maybe I will use just that for now. So, and these other items like the armor and helmet and all the stuff, they're gonna not show at all. So that's pretty about it. And there is no stats. I have to work on stats and also support gems. I mean, I'm working on. I mean, my plan is to make. I mean, you use these empty slots to make support gems and secondary skills. I mean, these red things are gonna be primary skills, like the base. You can just you have one of those, and then you're gonna have secondary skills that are going to trigger from this skill. Yeah, I'm kind of working on that. So, the map, yes. So I have the data screen. and you can go to town. Well, the items not persist right now. I need to finish all the things like the stats and the gems on it. So I have to save all that data. So first I have to make that data, and then I will save it and persist that data. Well, I'm talking about the scope. I think I will go with no online stuff, because that's make the game too complicated. So I will skip all the online. It doesn't mean that I'm not gonna do online ever, but I will keep it offline, so I can finish the base game, and then maybe in the future doing online stuff. So well, that's very much it. And I know that sounds like I didn't too much, but the inventory, it's kind of a mess. In the skills, it's actually a lot of work. So items are, you know, automatically place it. I don't know, there is basic stuff that games have, but you have to do it. And when you do it, it's not that basic and simple that other games do, like basic stuff. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching. See ya.